177.
Sorry? 177.
82.
82. 177, 82. Then now you have to describe the number of services. Okay.
Yeah.
So the name of the goods or services. For example, that one, plastic chairs, Cindy.
Yes.
Plastic
chairs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then total taxable amount ni ngapi? That is the invoice amount.
50,000.
So 50,000. That was an example.
Okay.
50,000. So unaona ina populate total sales and the VAT to the consumer generated for VAT is 50,000. Total sales, the total inakuja hapo chini 50,000. Okay?
Yeah.
Then if you have so many, kama for example kuna vitu mingi, so una add, you just add the rows hapo. So ukisema una add, unaona ukiklik hapa add rows. Just una click, si ndio? Unasema maybe the number of rows you want, maybe it is around 8, you write 8 hapo, itakuletea 8 rows. You see? Yeah. So you are able to enter into your you are able to enter your things. So there is an instant whereby you have so many items.
Yeah.
In the you are so uko na vitu mingi, si ndio?
Yeah.
So ukiwa na vitu mingi, you cannot just go just type 1 hizo vitu mingi mpaka mwisho.
Yes.
What you basically do, you see where there is import CSV. So we can do this. Let me open another Excel sheet. This one is it really able to give me another Excel sheet? A minute.
So let me as you are looking for the Excel sheet that has a couple of let's say transactions. Now this invoice, this now new system.
Yes.
Will we be doing the same process we are doing here?
No.
Oh.
Everything is going to be populated in your KRA portal.
Oh, portal.
Yes. Your work is just to verify.
Just verify what you have in there.
What you have, the invoices you have, they're the same invoices zenye ziko huko kwa portal.
Yeah.
After verifying, then you I think you proceed now. You proceed and get the VAT payable and generate the e-slip, pay the money.
Yes.
Yeah. So with the new one, that is why they want to improve it. They want to improve. Wanataka kuimprove hiyo.
But no, meanwhile, we need to be continue doing this.
Meanwhile. Yes. Meanwhile, this is even the ones that are filing Sahi, they are using the same whatever. So you are also seeing my new Excel sheet?
Not yet.
Okay. What we can do? What we do? I think we let us complete this small one. Then we come to find hiyo ya vitu mingi.
Sawa, no problem.
Ndio. So we come that way. So kutoka hapo si unaona hiyo ya KRA? Then you ukisha complete hizo, you click next. So before we go to next, unaona inakukalculatea VAT, amount of VAT taxable. Unaona imekucalculate already hapo. Because if you take 16% of 50,000 is it not 8,000?
Yes, it is.
Kwa hiyo invoice hapo chini imeandikwa 8,000 VAT.
Yes, it's written 8,000.
So the Excel sheet, this one calculates for you the exact figure. The tax inakucalculate, so you don't need to kuweka tu tena uanze kufanya the 16%, inakucalculate automatically. Then ukishafinya huko, ukishakuwa huko, then hapa you say next. Okay?
Yes.
So before then, unaona hapo hiyo inasema, that is section B, sales and output tax on sales for the period. That is general rate. Okay? Hiyo yenye tumechaza. Then if you come to C, unaambiwa section C, sales and output tax on sales for the period at a rates. It means kuna some goods that are not taxed at 16%. Unakumbuka tukisema mahali?
Yeah.
For example, zero rated. Si ndio?
Yeah.
So kama zero rated, hapa ndio zinaingia. Haziwezi ingia kwa general, because hii general imesetiwa tu, imesetiwa 16% automatically. But ukikuja this other sales, now it is you to choose the tax rate. Unaona hapo? So for example, unaona amount of VAT, that is ile ya petroleum tumesema hiyo ni 8%, si ndio?
Yes.
So if it is goods relating to petroleum, hizo mafuta, this is where you tax them. So for example, if ukiweka hapa kama ni 5,000, automatically itakucalculatea 8% of 5,000 is 400 shillings.
Yeah.
So for our case, hapo hatuna, so we leave it blank.
Yeah.
Then you go to next, itakuambia section D, sales for the period, zero rated goods. So if you have for example, wewe ni mwana youth, una supply goods. So meaning, we said privileged groups, si ndio?
Yeah.
So for example, these goods of you, the amount that is taxed, the amount of goods that you may supply in 5,000, haitakuwa na tax, itakuwa tu 5,000.
5,000.
Yes. So huwezi declare anything, huwezi declare nini. Yeah. So if section D, that is export. So hapa, this is where unaekanga exports.
Yes.
Tulisema most of the exports, they are exempted.
Yeah, they're exempted.
Yes. So if you are doing a business of exports, hapo ndio unaweka tu export. So the same procedure inaenda, lazima ukuwe na ETL number, hivyo uweke, but there is no tax you will pay on that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So we go next, sorry. Next. So unaona hapo pia section E, sales for the period exempt. Sales for the period exempt. So if you have goods that you are selling na ziko exempt to VAT, hapo ndio unaziweka. So the same procedure ina follow.
Yeah.
Then we have section F, purchases of input tax for the period, general. Okay? So that one, see hii tuko nayo. We are repeating what we did pale mbele. Hello? Network yako inakupotelea ama? Uko sawa?
Okay. Hello?
Tuko pamoja?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. So here you are repeating what you did the first one. Unakumbuka hapa? Hapa B.
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 We are
You
doing,
remember B here?
yes.
This one. For
Oh,
general
that, okay.
rate. So that
Okay.
is what we are doing here again. Upper F. So hapa, you don't need to put the KRA pin. You just click yaka kakitu hapa. Itakupea. Hapa, utasema kama ni, uta-click hapa, it is local. Okay?
Yes.
Sorry, let me take you back. Sorry.
But that is different.
Let me take you back. This is sales, okay? This is the purchase. Yeah. This is the purchase, the purchases this is a customer.
Yes.
This one, F, it is a supplier.
Yes.
The one supplying to you. Okay? So if kama hauna. Kama uko nayo, pia uta include.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Tumeelewana hapo?
Yes.
Then next unakuja G. G, it says purchases input. Purchases input and input tax for the period, but this is for other rates.
Yes.
So hiyo unawachana nayo. Hii tumedili nayo. Yeah, hiyo. Then we what next? Ndio tumesema unaachana nayo. Then you kuche hapa. Section H, that is schedule for purchases for the period. Zero rated. Si ndio? Hatuna hiyo, unaachana nayo. Then unakuja kwa purchases for the period exempt. Hatuna, unaachana nayo. You go next. Then J, VAT claimable on services imported into Kenya. So if there is a VAT that you are claiming on the goods you made, you imported to Kenya, hapo unakuja. So if you claim here, it will reduce your tax payable.
Okay.
Ina reduce at the end of the day, the tax unaenda kulipa. So pati hiyo kama hauna, unaiacha nayo, you come next. So you come here, that is section K, it says details of VAT paid. So if you made an advance VAT payment, unaweka hapo. If you made, kama uli make a VAT. But kama hauna, you just go to next. Next, unaona imekuambia nini? Imekuambia that is section M, sales, goods and services. So imekuambia tax for sales ni 50,000. Rate ni 16%. Unaona amount of output VAT ni 8,000. So meaning total output, that is VAT, that's what plus that one hiyo inakuletea the 8,000 ndio unafaa ulipe hapo chini. Okay? So from there, you click next. Next hapa, if you had, kama ulikuwa na credit forward from the previous month, unaweka hapo. So unaendelea hivyo, unakuja hapo, unaona inakuambia, now ukisha enter everything, unaona inakuambia net VAT payable stock credit current maybe next the next month it is 8,000. So the 8,000 is the one that you are supposed to pay now to KRA. So ukishafika hapo, the next is just to validate. You remember the way we used to validate the other one?
Employment, yes.
Employment.
Yeah.
So you just validate. After you have validated, then you upload. Inaenda, inakuletea ila acknowledgement receipt. Kishapata ila acknowledgement receipt, unaenda una register for payment. You get the bank slip. You pay either using M-Pesa or you get the bank. Hivyo.
Okay.
Tuko pamoja hapo?
Yes.
So that is the procedure.
Wow. Yeah, I think maybe we can
So the
be
best thing
there
I can do,
Mm.
I'm going to forward to you this form.
Okay.
This Excel sheet.
Yeah.
You go through on it, you go through, you uelewe those whatever what we have done, uelewe, so that at least you understand this. Unaona hizi sheets. Hiyo B general, you understand what it is, hivyo, si ndio?
Yeah.
Then from there we can review.
Yeah.
Then there is nimekuambia there is some circumstances whereby you have so many invoices, okay?
Yes.
Maybe you are using maybe you can so many. So for example, you are using a system. See, most of the systems can give you reports.
Yeah, it can.
Then this most of the systems, these reports you are getting, you can export them in Excel.
Yeah.
Okay. So just want to show you. This is a minute. I stop sharing this. I share another Excel, a blank Excel sheet. Unaona hiyo Excel sheet? Let's assume this Excel sheet iko na zile umeweka hizo details zote za KRA. Nazikumbuka zile tulisema.
Yeah. Pin.
Hizo iko na hizo iko na name of the purchaser, ETR number, name of the purchaser hapa, ETR number, okay? Iko na hiyo invoice date, iko na invoice number, hivyo, si ndio?
Yes.
So you have so many hapa na umeapply formula yako vizuri. So kule chini utapata the total, si ndio?
Yes.
So what you need to do after doing this, you need to save this file as what we said, as CSV file, so that you can import to hii Excel ya KRA.
Okay.
So si tumeelewana hapo, uko na details zako zote za vitu zako zote, even if there are millions of them, even if there are thousands of them, uko nazo kwa Excel yako, si ndio?
Yes.
So you go as save as, unaona? Ukienda save as, so ukiklik save as, so you unaenda kusave that file, si ndio?
Yes.
So ukiwa hapo it is sales, maybe unaweza sema it is sales for the month of July 2022, okay? So unaona hapo save as type.
Yeah.
You click on that, you look for that file we said. Unaona hapo CSV. That one, si ndio?
Yes.
So we have CSV. We said that file should be so you just take uchukue ya kwanza, hiyo ya comma.
Comma delimited.
Yes.
Okay.
So you save, si ndio?
Yes.
You pick that one. Then maybe tuseme tuna save kwa downloads, si ndio? Then ukishafanya hivyo, you save. So the file that is going to be saved is some of the features in your work might be lost. Yes, unasema yes. Unajua hii ukisave, unaisave una make sure you save, tuseme kama it should not interfere with your records. So you create another Excel sheet, another one, you create a ingine, si ndio? Unaacha your work to remain the way.
Okay.
So once you may save, if you maybe you go to the downloads with mahali tumeiweka, you can be able to see that file ikiwa in
SV.
Yes. Then
Okay.
I can stop that one, sharing that. Then I share the Excel sheet ya KRA. That one. You can see that one.
Yes.
Then ukikuja hapa, see that is where ukiweka hizo vitu zako zote hizo, when you want to do everything, si ndio? Sa hautaweka one to one, si umeconfirm hizo vitu zote kwa hiyo file na umeisave as CSV. Unakuja hapa import, you click import. Sitakuletea hapo mahali, unaona hapo mahali iko hapo sales for the month of July whatever. You just open, you click on that, open.
Okay.
Please select proper. Oh, we didn't save it in a proper way. A minute.
Yes, I really need to look at this Excel worksheet very well. Yeah, I've seen there are so many things.
There are so many things that you need to look at them, so that at least you understand from the point of view. So I want to see why is it not doing so. Just a minute.
But yeah, I think my key home takeaways is that exam sales, there are no sales. You need to ascertain the type of sale that has been done, and zero rated means there was no tax charged on it.
Yes.
Not charged on it, but you will incur the costs.
Yeah.
Making the products. And there's a withholding of 2% of taxable supply. And there are agents which are approved by KRA, mostly a public, but not a public. Yeah.
Yeah.
And zero rated say zero rated. Oh yeah. They are, yeah. Yeah, there's a lot I've learned today.
Yeah. So I will share I will share the presentation that is on notes, then the Excel sheet, that one. Then when we meet tomorrow, we can do the withholding. And also I will show you the CSV file. Then we do the withholding on we combine the withholding on rental income, the 16% VAT on the rental income. And also we do the withholding on what the withholding on your income. At least by tomorrow tuone kama tumecomplete mambo inaitwa na withholding, whichever touches withholding, either VAT, whatever. Then I think if we meet at 2, kama hutakuwa na kitu ya kufanya, at least we can meet between 2 to 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or to 5.
Yeah, or to 5, or to 2 to 5.
2 to 5, 2 to 5:30 there.
5:30, okay. No problem. Education is Sunday, sina maneno mingi.
Yeah, I think, yeah. We can stop there for the moment.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
So we can stop and
I need to digest first of that.
Exactly. So I'm sharing the notes. I'm sharing the VAT form. So that make sure you go through the notes. Make sure you digest so that when we meet next, ask as many questions as you can, digest everything, then tutaendelea hivyo hivyo.
Okay.
So we can call it a day, a night, sorry, yes. Can call it a night and have a good night. Thank you for attending.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Good night.
Okay.